Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.12 trillion. We are up 2.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some sort of relief once finally within the markets again. And obviously, over the past couple of days, we have been seeing continuous, downwards trend, a lot of fear across the board, major bloodbath happening within the sport. But we're finally starting to see some sort of relief within the markets. And obviously, that's something we love seeing and we will definitely take. But still, guys, nothing to be super, super excited about because we're still, far, far away from where we need to be. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we love on this channel, and that's none other than VeChain. Alright, my VeChain family, if we are looking at the VeChain price right now, you guys can see VeChain is currently trading at 0.078 cents. We are up 5.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 4.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. VeChain's current ranking on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 35th spot. Market cap is still holding nice and strong above that $5 billion mark. We're currently sitting at $5.2 billion market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $255.6 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 221.7%. Let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices of VeChain. But before we begin, in case you guys have missed this news, guys, VUSD stablecoin launches on VeChain. This is very, very exciting, time for not only the, VeChain community, but the entire cryptocurrency space. We have seen another, another development in a way, guys, that, we're seeing VUSD coming out and, it's a USD-backed stablecoin on the VeChain public blockchain. And this is going to bring more adoption to VeChain. So that's something very exciting. If you guys want to read this article, I will leave it in the link in the description box below. So if you're a VeChain holder, you definitely want to check out. But now let's get right into the price. Price. What's going on? Where are we going in the immediate short term? That's exactly the question everyone has right now. And, we will get right into that. So my VeChain family, first and foremost, I just want to say, we've been getting a lot of negative comments over the last, couple of weeks or so. But that is very, very common. If you're coming new into the markets, you might not know. When there's a lot of fear across the board, we do tend to see a lot of negativity coming in the space, and the YouTube comments turn from bullish to bearish because people just want continuous growth towards the upside. That's not how it works in the markets, guys. Unfortunately, I'm here to break it to you. And on this channel, I tell you guys the most realistic things, and I'm not going to be coming here and making false claims that we're about to go to the moon tomorrow. We look at all the scenarios. Yes, it could be boring, but the people that have patience are the ones that tend to win this market around when the markets really do coil towards the upside. So that's something that you should not forget. So now if you are looking at the price of VeChain, guys, you guys can see VeChain is still in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we are making strides towards the upside, and we will definitely take that. We might have some people come out here and say, oh my god, VeChain has done absolutely nothing. But guys, since just the last, for 24 to 48 hours, we have seen VeChain go up about 10%. And we will definitely take that. We will definitely take that. But now comes the question, what's going on with VeChain Price? Are we really going to start heading towards this level of resistance that we have at that 10.12 cents mark? And are we really going to smash it and get back into 61.8? That's the question that we are going to look at right now. So if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, to make it more understandable, that basically means we need to move up about, guys, 30%. 30% to break out of this level of resistance. So we do have quite a bit ways to go for us to break out of this zone. So, we cannot forget that. In order for us to break this, we need to, meet two standards. And that number one is obviously, we need to be looking at the price of Bitcoin, because you guys know what Bitcoin is. If you don't know, if this is your first time coming onto my channel and you're brand new to the crypto space, guys, Bitcoin is seen as the king of the cryptocurrency markets because it is the leading indicator. Every single altcoin except stable coins correlate with the price of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up, the overall cryptocurrency altcoin markets does react to the overall upwards momentum. But if Bitcoin goes down, guess what happens? The overall altcoin market reacts and goes down. And when it goes down, we do tend to see altcoins fall more sharply compared to Bitcoin. So that's something we need to keep in mind. And that's why we on Crypto ZX channel, we look at Bitcoin price on a daily basis. As you guys may know, if you're a regular viewer on my channel, guys, you guys know I've been talking about this zone when Bitcoin was trading around this range. And what was I saying the entire time? We are not out of the woods just yet, because, guys, you guys can see our confirmation was set at $52,000 mark. We saw this beautiful upwards rally towards the upside, and guess what? It was a clear fake out, because you cannot make this up. It literally touched our confirmation. That was a clear fake out. We saw the price of Bitcoin fall below once again, and we saw it hover around a couple of days at this $46,000 mark, which is the support level around for Bitcoin. But we did see around December 5th and 6th, we saw the bears finally take over, win the fight against the bulls, and they saw the price of Bitcoin fall below this level of resistance, which was at the $43,000 mark, and we created a double bottom from that initial price correction that we saw back on December 3rd. Excuse me, guys, I might have a little cough within this video, because I am not feeling 100%, but I do not want to miss a video for you guys, because I love you all and your support means the world to me. So if we are looking at right now, we are seeing the level of support from the previous times around play out for us. Before, it did play out as a level of resistance for us for quite some time, but now it is playing as a level of support. I'm sorry, it did play as a level of resistance for us before, and it is playing as a level of resistance for us once again, because we are below it. Because if we're not above it, then it's not a support level, and once we're below it, it becomes a resistance level. But now you can see Bitcoin is trying to break above this level of resistance at this $43,400 mark, and I need Bitcoin to be above this level at all costs. And most importantly, the number one zone that we need to be in is above that $46,200 mark roughly, which is above this level of support. We need the price of Bitcoin to be above that at all costs, guys, because that's a safe zone in my opinion. And that is about 8.3% a move towards the upside. Definitely can happen, but we need the bulls to come and really take advantage this time around. But if we're unable to break out of here in the next coming 48 to 24 hours at above this $43,600 mark, then things could look ugly, and we could possibly still visit these prices at this $36,600 mark, guys, which we have not seen since, to be exact, we have not seen that since around July 27th. So we could definitely see the price of Bitcoin revisit around these levels. So that's something we should not be ignoring right now. So the next coming hours could be very critical for the price of Bitcoin. So please keep an eye out. So what does that mean for VeChain? So obviously, if a Bitcoin breaks towards the upside, we revisit the 46K and possibly even break above it and try to break above my confirmation. I would not be surprised at all if VeChain breaks out of this range and gets back into 61 point and possibly even touch that 13.1 cents mark. Obviously, that is still quite a bit ways. So now comes the question that everyone wants to know. I get so many comments People ask me, hey, Crypto ZX, what should we buy or should we not? Guys, I am not going to ever tell you if you should be buying or not. Like, that's all comes down to you. But one thing that I always like giving you guys, it's just a perspective so you guys get a better picture. Rather than buying when altcoins are pumping up left and right, they're skyrocketing. Instead of buying then, it's always good to dollar cost average in when the markets have consolidated, pulled down 50, 60%. That's when it's good to be dollar cost averaging in the projects that you like and that you believe are here to stay long term. Especially if you're dollar cost averaging for the long term, this is the time to be dollar cost averaging when we're nearly at the bottoms, for the bull run. So, that's my personal strategy when I like doing that. If I have some money, I'm not saying like I have money left and right 24/7 laying around in a bank account to invest. Absolutely not. But, when I do have extra, like, money that I am willing to, invest in coins that I like, the coins that I believe have the future, I dollar cost average in one, I don't care when I dollar cost averaging, but I tend to, go get greedy when the prices are on the cheaper end of the spectrum. But everyone has their own strategy. You guys do what works for you. But long-term perspective, guys, I always tell you guys this every single time. VeChain by far is the most slept on project in my opinion, considering what they're doing, what they're solving, who they're working with. Everything speaks for itself, and I truly believe a lot of people are sleeping on VeChain, but VeChain time is coming, guys. And I believe there's a small tingling thing in my body. Again, my own personal opinion. I have this, gut feeling that we are going to get listed on Coinbase this year. It's been highly, highly anticipated within the VeChain community, and that obviously is going to open so many more doors, bring in so much more, hype, and that could really kickstart this upwards rally that everyone is waiting for. But we need to keep an eye out on Bitcoin, and obviously if Coinbase listing did occur, we would be all very, very excited. And if we're looking at the BTC dominance right now, we have seen it pull down a bit, but over the past couple of days we did see it skyrocket, obviously due to the fact that Bitcoin saw a crash. Obviously we do tend to see altcoins profits go back into Bitcoin because Bitcoin does tend to hold quite well compared to altcoins, especially in a downwards trend. But that is it for today's update, guys. Right now, for the short and medium term, I would love for VeChain to break above that 10.12 cents mark, but we will take it one step at a time. I will keep you guys updated if anything comes out and that's worth updating. You guys already know Crypto ZX got you covered. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and what is your strategy? Are you guys scooping up some more VeChain? Are you guys just holding? What is your strategy? Leave it in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts. And if you guys can go do me two favors. One is go follow me on Twitter, guys. I'm trying to really kickstart 2022 and really start, using Twitter a lot, engaging with you guys on Twitter. So go follow me on Twitter. Link in the description box below, or you can click this logo over here and go follow me, and I will follow you guys right back. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.